girlies, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about why I haven't been around. So if you guys remember my last video, it was the 7-year length check video on my 4C hair. As my subscribers can remember, I left a little teaser at the end of my video, if you remember this. So if you remember that, and I'm not going to show the whole thing, if you want to see that you can go to the last video, 7-year length check. But for my subscribers who saw that and got really excited, including me, I got really excited about that. I'm sorry that I didn't release it because I was supposed to release it in January or May. But so here's what happened. January 20th of this year, I was in a hit-and-run collision. So I was driving just driving straight, the only car on the road, and this lady comes across and goes across the median. There's a break in the median and she hits me. And then I get out the car after I've done this 180 spin and ended up in the middle of the median, and she's gone. She's completely gone, and I'm freaking out like, what the heck is going on? But anyway, fast forward, I couldn't even lift my cell phone. I couldn't even lift the laptop to even try to talk to someone on it. I could barely even send a text message without like having pain in my neck and my rib area. So I was really messed up, but I'm feeling much better, and that's pretty much the reason why I haven't posted in a long time, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm back. At the same time, I'm not going to be making any announcements prior to releasing something because the devil is a liar and he's always trying to keep me down. And every time I announce something, it doesn't come through because some crazy thing happens. Like last year, I was going to do my length check video and Hurricane Irma came through. Yeah, so that wasn't very fun, but we got through it, and we're just gonna keep pushing on. Alright curlies, thanks for watching another one of my videos, and thank you to all of my subscribers. I can't even speak today. And thanks to all my subscribers for keeping in touch. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Alright, it's good to see you. Bye! Subscribe. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can leave your questions in the comment section below or email them to me at askmsthickhair@gmail.com. And don't forget to chat me up on all of the social media sites.